Now let's move to the next step, as we have already completed launch and login part. Now if you see here, if I'm going to run this login part, reset this and run this, so you will see here it is taking time here to load this home page. So what we can do, we can take here one, delete this, we can take one wait stage so that we can check here this screen is available or not. It means if this screen is available, it means we have successfully logged in into this screen. Currently we'll take here one wait stage, and the wait stage will check for home page, wait for home page. And now here we need home page so that we can verify that. So for that we'll click on this application modeler, click on this element, because now I'm going to take another element, it means another window. So this is the home page window, so I'm going to give the name, that is home page. This is home. Now click on identify and press Ctrl click, and now click on match. Currently we have 5 attributes that is checked with this value. Let's highlight this, okay, and now click apply. So this is home page. Now what other elements we get here on the home page? So here we have, as per our requirement, here we have orders and then exit. So we can do one thing, just click on this and click on child, and then we can take 2 child. One is for the orders button, second we can take for exit button. Now in the orders button we can click on identify and just click, press Ctrl click, so that we can take the attributes of this orders. Now this is the window text, that is the orders, that is the button title, so this is okay. So this will also highlight the same button, this is correct, no need to modify this one. Now go to the exit button, click on identify and then click on this exit button, Control and then click, and just see here we have exit, and this is also correct. Highlight this and you can see it is highlighting the correct element. Now let's go with first this one, press OK, and now just go double click on this, wait for home. Now we need to check this home page, take this home page and check if this exists or not. If this exists equal to true, home page condition check exist, it means this element flag equal to true, then we can link this. It means if this is available, so it means we have successfully logged in into this screen. If not, so what we can say, currently we are not going to apply anything. I will just connect the timeout with this end. I will show you this also in the upcoming video. Just close this and reset this, launch from here and then go to login and run this, and you can see here it is waiting for 5 seconds. So in the both scenario it is coming to this. So what we can do, let me first put here 10 seconds, and now we are okay. Now after this our requirement is to click on orders. So we have to take one more page, action page, that is for the go to orders. Now in this what we need to do, we need to click on orders. So we'll take here one navigate, and you have seen we have already taken the elements, attributes of this element. So we'll double click on this navigate take this order button in this element section, select, press, change the name, click on orders button. Now once you click on orders button, it will go to this screen. This is order menu, so we have to also verify this screen is available or not. Now we can take wait here, we'll take here and just double click on that, wait for orders menu, and here we'll take this. Okay, so currently we don't have the element, so what we need to do here, we need to take the application modeler and take one element, sorry, delete this. Now click on element and write here orders menu. So this is our orders menu. After clicking on this orders button, it will come to this menu. So identify, click on this and check this. So this is our orders menu, and just enlarge this and see here, this is orders menu and this is also correct. Now we can also do one thing, we can take here attributes of these elements, this text box, and click on go button. So in this we'll take one child element, and this is for option, order option, text box. You can write txt box, so that we can identify this is option text box. Click on identify and control click and verify this. So you can see this is window text that is currently that doesn't have value, so uncheck this. And now you can check here, we have visual enabled class name edit, it means this is the text box. Now we can also take this type name, that is saying that this is text box. Click on highlight and this is good. Now apply this, and now we need to click on go after putting 1 in this text box. So we'll take here one more, that is one more child, and name is go button, identify, click on this one, and here you can see window text is go and this is button. So this is also correct, highlight this. And one more thing we can do here, after clicking on go button, whatever page it is showing here, we can take the element of that also. So this is the new order page, this is the different window. So we'll take here one element, and now this is for new order menu, new order page, and now click on identify and just see here, control click, press here, and then this is the new order, highlight this, this is the correct, apply this, okay. Now what we need to do, after click on orders button, let me go back to this one. After clicking on orders buttons, we have to check that this screen is available or not. So wait for orders. So we'll take here wait for orders menu, because once we'll click on this, it will come to this screen, orders menu. So we'll take this and we'll check if this window exists or not. If equal to true, wait for 10 seconds, and now connect this, and let's do one thing, take here and link this. Okay, so it will wait for 10 seconds, and then that time this screen will be loaded. and after this going to the order page. Now we have to enter here 1 and then click go. Okay, so what we are going to do, go to the orders. Now we'll take here one more action, that is for go to menu, go to new order, go to new orders. Now click OK. Now here what we need to do, we need to type here 1. So to type 1 in this text box, we have to take a right stage, double click on that, and then put here type 1 in, or like you can only you can write type in into option box. Now here from right side we have to take that order option text box, and then in this value we need to type by default value, that is 1. Press OK, link this here, and after typing this what we need to do, we need to click on go. So 1 and then click go. So to click go, navigate will work here, navigate and click go. So we'll take here click go button in the element, action will be press and then click OK, link this here. Now after click on go, it should show this screen, it means new order page. So we'll take here one wait, take this one, and this is for wait for new orders page, wait for new orders page, and here we'll take new order page. We'll check this window exist or not. If equals to exist, click OK. Here also we can take 10 seconds, click OK, and then link this with this one and link this timeout and link this navigate to the wait stage. Now this is correct. Now after that, now we are on this new order page. Let me spy all these elements. So click on application modeler, and now in this new orders page what we have product code, unit price, quantity, and then customer account, and then priority order, and then submit. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll take 6 elements here, application modeler, click here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? This name will for, let me give the proper name first. Okay, now one by one we'll spy this one. So click on identify, control and then left click, click on match, uncheck this, and we have Windows form. So just do one thing, find here, so this is edit, we can check this text box. Now this is, if you highlight this, we are getting all these 3. So again there is a problem. So what we can do in this scenario, we have to find out unique for only this product code. So we'll take here, we can check this X and Y, highlight this, and this is correct. Now apply this, take unit price, click on identify, press Ctrl, left click, uncheck this one which has no value, and then take here text box and take X and Y, highlight this. Now this is unit price, apply, click on quantity drop down, identify, and now take the complete, not the inner part, take the complete outer side, the parent one, control and left click. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. no need to check this one. We don't require the select quantity, because I don't know if sometime there will be any other value selected, then it will throw an error. So instead of selecting this one, we can uncheck this, and we have this combo box, so that will work fine. I don't think there will be issue. Highlight this, and this is correct. Apply, click on customer account text box, identify this, and control and left click. Now uncheck this, select this checkbox, select X, Y both, highlight this, and this is this one. Now priority order. So for the priority order, we'll again click on identify, control, and then left click. Now here you will see we have Windows text that is blank, there is no value, so we'll uncheck this, and instead of taking this button, we can take this checkbox, highlight this, and you can see this is working fine. Now apply this, and this is submit button. So submit button, again identify and click on this one, and submit. So this is good. Highlight this, this is correct. Apply this, and now click OK. So now we have all the elements here. Now I'm going to set up this Process Studio so that we can read data from this Excel, this orders, and then you can see these data we have, so we can get from there, and then we can add new orders in this on the screen in this Centrix Data Solutions. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to save this first Object Studio, but before that let's publish this, because without publishing we will not able to see these things in our Process Studio. Now save this, progress saved, save changes, and now open this Process Studio. I'm going to create one page, that is Get Excel as a collection. I'm putting this name. Now what I'm going to do here in this one, first that to get data from Excel we need to take here one action. Now first we need to create the instance of this Excel application, so we'll take here create instance, and then in the output just take here handle. Now click OK. So this is for create instance, just change the name. Now take one more, that is for open workbook, so we'll take here MS Excel VBO, and then open workbook, so we'll take here this one, open workbook, and then in this we need input as a handle, so we have this data item handle, and then we need file name. So what we can do, we can take here one text that is as a file name, Excel file name, and then here in this we can pass that in SL value. So this is our file name. Right click on this, like shift and right click, and then click on copy as a path. Now in the NSL value just paste this one, remove this and remove this double quotation. Now click OK. Now we have this value, so we can take this data item in this one. Now in the output it will give us workbook name. Now just delete this unnecessary text, click OK. This is our data item for the Excel file name, and now this is the data item for workbook name. Now after opening this workbook name, we have to take one more action, that is for Get Worksheet as a collection. So we'll take this one. Now in the handle, in the input we'll pass this handle because we are going to work on the same Excel file. We'll take the workbook name here, and then our sheet name will be this one, orders underscore export. So we'll take here worksheet name in the double quotation, or you can take one data item and you can store into this one. Now in the outputs here it will give us a collection, and we can take the name as a orders collection. Now create this one and click OK. Delete this and click OK. Now we have one collection. Okay, and after this, after getting this data into this collection, let me first link this one, and now in this one we need to work on, let me just close this and reset this, right click on this, set next stage, so that I can show you. Click and step over. Just do one thing, increase the debugger speed, and now you see here currently we have 1 of 15 rows. So we have 15 rows. Now we have to work on that one. So how can we work on this orders page? So currently we have stored all this Excel data into the collection. Now in the main page, what we can do first, we can move this launch and login part in one page. So we'll create one page. Let me take here one page here and add a new page and create a reference to it. So we'll put the name of this launch and login, and now cut this one launch and login and put here. Okay, and just link this one, and now we have launch and login page. Connect this, and after launching and login, what we are going to do, we are going to click on orders page, and then go to the after login to this, we are going to click on orders, and then we are putting all these details. So we'll take here, what we are going to do, I'm going to take here one more page. Let me take this page directly, and this is for add a new page. So this is for go to orders menu, go to orders menu. Now click finish, link this, go to the go to orders menu, take here action. In the action we will select our business object, that is Centrix Data Solution, and then we'll take go to orders and delete this and press OK. Link this go to orders, and then after going to the orders menu, then we are putting the details here, so that we are going to the new orders page. So we'll take here one more page and add a new page, create reference to it, and go to new orders page, or you can say as a type 1 and click go button, something like that. Finish, go to new orders, and in this we'll take one action, select that VBO and select here go to new orders, delete this, click OK, link this, and now you'll see here, now we have go to orders menu and then go to new page. So in the go to new page, new orders, it will put 1 and click go. And after this, what we need to do, After going to the new orders page, it means 1 and then click go, we need to add new orders. So we'll take one more page, or you can directly take here this one, and this is for add a new page and create to reference, add new orders, and click finish. And now in the add new orders, here what we are going to do, we are going to first get the Excel collection here, because we have this Excel collection here. Now we'll take here one loop here. Here we can take one more page, delete this, and then take here one page, create reference, get Excel as collection. Now here we have this page, and after getting the collection, add new orders, we have to take loop here. Now in the loop start and loop end, we have to take that specific loop, that is order collection. So currently this is not visible. So what we can do, we have one option that we can make it global, and you will see here if we'll make it global, and then we can access this from here, right? Or what you can do, as we are calling here, so we can also take the data from there and store in a different Excel, different collection. So for the time being, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this globally accessible, and so that we can access here. Now we can put the loop name, loop orders collection, click OK. Now link this and link this. Now in this add new orders page, what we need to do, we need to type here, we need to type the product code, we need to type unit price. So for that, to type data into this one, we have to take action stage, and we'll take here Centrix Data Solutions. And currently, okay, so we have not written steps here in our Object Studio, so we'll not able to do that. Currently, if you see here, we have not added, so we have to first create one new page, that is add new orders. Click OK, and now in this one we have to take write stage, will type into this text box. So we'll double click on that, and we'll take here product code in the element, and in the value we will take from our collection. Okay, so we don't have the collection here. What we need to do, we have to click on start, because we have to take the input from our project studio, process studio, so that we can type into this one. So we'll click on start, and in the input we'll take orders collection, and we'll give this name, and we'll store in this same name, order collection. Our type will be the collection. Click on this one. Now you can see order collection has been created. Now click OK. Now what will happen on the run time, it will take data from that, from the process, because we will run our process from the process studio. So we'll take this right here, type into product code. Now here we have now collection that is available on add new orders page. We'll take this one, but this time if you'll take here, click on this, and as we are going to take value from the specific column name, it means we have to pass this product code. So we have to take this column name and go to the right stage, and then collection name dot this column name, that is product code. So by this way we can take a specific field or specific parameter we can pass here. Now click OK. Now click OK. Same way, this is for the type into product code. Now we'll take one more type into for unit price, double click on that. This is for type into unit price. So we'll take here this unit price element, and then order collection, click on this expression editor, and then again copy this unit price, this is unit cost, and put here dot, and then paste this unit cost. Now click OK. Next is quantity and then priority orders. Let me first take customer account. Let me take one more. So right stage will work with the customer account. So we'll take customer account here, copy the customer account, this is customer number, and then in the value we'll take this collection dot this one, customer number. Now click OK. Now we have quantity, that is drop down, and the checkbox. So in the next video I will show you how to work with the drop down and the checkbox, and then we'll move forward with the add new orders.